Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Aadhaar linked to your mobile, a clear scanned photo and signature, and education documents. Once done, open the Bihar government portal and choose the caste certificate application to start. Enter Aadhaar for KYC so your details autofill. This saves time and reduces errors. You must upload documents in the prescribed formats and sizes. Make sure each file meets the portal limits before proceeding to the form. You now complete the detailed form. Type names exactly as on Aadhaar and select your district and block so the application routes correctly. After that, upload caste proof and related certificates. Label files clearly and follow size/type rules because mismatched uploads cause rejection. Once uploaded, preview every field carefully. This is your last chance to correct spelling or document mismatches. Then submit and note the application ID shown on screen for tracking. You finish by paying the application fee through UPI or card and saving the receipt. This confirms payment and links to your ID. After submission, track status using the application number. Field verification may follow, so be ready to receive an inspector or upload extra proof. If authorities reject the file, check the rejection reason immediately, correct the specific document or field, and re-upload. Doing that quickly prevents delays.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.